Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have for you another box from WiBargain. All right, guys, so this very large box sitting next to me came from WiBargain. It is one of their women's shoe boxes. They just started doing this, and you get 20 pairs of shoes for $95, including shipping. So that is really thrifty, especially if the shoes are in good condition. I have no idea what they look like. Now, these are returns from like Amazon, Walmart, Target, places like that. So I'm not expecting the cream of the crop kind of shoes. And you do not know what size you're going to get, and you have no idea what style you're going to get. So I can just about guarantee most of the shoes in this box, if not all of the shoes in the box, would not be something that I would wear. But I still wanted to go ahead and give this one a try because it lets you guys know what types of things you would get in a box like this, because this is a new box that they just started. And, you know, I have a lot of people in my family who could use some new shoes. So I thought, why not give it a try? Hopefully they get some sizes that would be someone in my family's size, and hopefully the shoes are their style. I don't know, guys. Fingers crossed. Without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. Okay, guys, so I flipped open 2 of the flaps, but I left these last 2 down because I'm quite certain by the size of the box, being that there's 20 pairs of shoes in it, that they for sure did not include any shoe boxes, which is fine. I mean, I don't use shoe boxes anyways. I recycle them for other things, but I don't keep my shoes in the shoe boxes. Makes a lot of sense, right? All right, I know you guys are just wanting to see what's in this box, so let's prop it open. Ooh, yeah, they're definitely just all thrown about. So I'm gonna have to mess up my backdrop on this one. I can't get this last thing. Okay, are we good? We're good. All right, so on top here, I mean, they're cute. We have these shoes right here. These are cute, guys. I mean, check them out. These are super cute. I would say that's probably a 3-inch heel would be my guess. It says the retail price of these shoes, they are a size 9, is $34.99. I don't know who's a size 9 in my family. I'm going to check around first. So just before anybody says, hey, I'll take those, I'm going to check and see who in my family can use any of these shoes before I offer them up to anyone else. Okay, but these are a size 9. Super cute. I mean, clearly never been worn. So it's a cute pair of shoes. All right. So based off of that retail price, I mean, I already got a really good deal. Oh, shut the camera. Awesome. Okay, so let's move on to these ones here. These are an 8.5. Retail price says they were $24.99. I mean, guys, they're not bad. They got like a pointed, you know, toe. It's kind of like a basket weave type situation with these shoes. These are also cute. They're at 8.5, and the retail price says it was $24.99. So, hey guys, that's not bad. It doesn't have the brand, does it? Universal Thread is the brand. I don't know whose is that? Is that like a Target brand or something? I'm really not sure. So, set that there. Hopefully don't shake the camera. Okay, so let's see here. Now we have a super cute pair of boots. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. These are cute. You guys seeing this, I hope. So this is definitely like, I don't know, a 2-inch heel or something like that. It's really small. It says that the retail price was $44.99, but they were on sale for $25.99. I do not see, oh, Old Navy. Oh, these are Old Navy. You guys see that? Upside down, but yeah, Old Navy. Okay, that's super great. What's the size again? Did I say size 9? Okay, I don't know if anyone in my family is a size 9. I sure hope so, because these are super cute. I'll have to see if they'll fit anyone in my family. I sure hope so. Okay, so it looks like we have another pair that is very similar to that pair that I just showed you, only they are a really nice olive green. Look at that. Those are cute, guys. Again, this looks to be Old Navy. Yeah. It is. It's Old Navy. They were on sale for $11.99. The retail price is not on there. It's ripped off. What's the size? Ooh, an 11. Woo, that's big. Size 11. I'm just going to take a stab at this and say that they're probably all going to be larger feet type shoes. I don't know if anyone has a size 11. I know I have a few size 10s in my family, but 11's really kind of big for them. So I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, so next, these are so cute though, guys. Look at how cute these are. Look, and they're like not worn at all. Oh, this is a nice rubber sole. Oh, it says Old Navy right on the bottom of the sole there. Guys, this ain't bad. These are size 8. Okay, so they're size 8. They're on sale for $17.49. I don't know what the original price is, but guys, they have the cute fur and stuff on the inside. And they say Old Navy right on the inside of this boot. These are cute. I mean, these are really cute. Size 8. Adorable. I mean, I really like those. I think my sister is a 7.5 to an 8, so she might be able to wear those. Okay, so then we have more Old Navy. Are these all Old Navy shoes? I'm just saying it. Oh, gosh, I'm not even showing them to you guys. Sorry. So this is like a maroon, purpley kind of, flat, dress flat. Size 10, that's good. My niece can wear these. I'm really excited. She's a size 10. I told her if I found any for her, I would get them. And I think she'll like these. These were $8.99, $24.99 at one point as well. So they feel like a suede. I mean, these are cute. I think my niece will like these. Yeah. I mean, they're cute. I think she'll like them. So those are definitely going to my niece. And then I have another one in the same style, a size 6. I'm a size 6, but I probably won't wear these. But my mom is also a size 6, and I think that she will. So we have those as well. That's cool. All right. Oh, these are cute. Oh, please tell me they're one of my niece's sizes. This is adorable. Look at these. These are cute. Look at that. Oh, and they got like rainbows in the back. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Look at that. I love these. And it's got like the, I don't know what you call that, like a fur collar top. $12.49 is what they were on sale for. Size are they? Is that the size? Oh, they're a size 5. Okay, you know what? My niece might be able, I don't know, size 5. I have to see. I was thinking my younger niece. These are cute though. I wonder if she would like these. I mean, like I said, I'll check around in my family first before I offer them up to anybody else. Oh, we have a cute leopard print pair. Look at these. These are super cute, guys. I hope you guys are seeing these and I'm showing them to you good. I'm not showing them to you as good as I do my other shoes because clearly I wouldn't be as excited about these super flat shoes. $20.49 is what they were on sale for. Again, the Old Navy brand, size 9. They're size 9. So I'm starting to see a little bit of a theme here, guys. I did get one smaller pair of shoes, but for the most part, these seem to be, no, I got 2 pairs, seem to be larger sizes. Okay. All right. So we have another one of those in a size 8. Same with the leopard print. Okay. And then, well, these are cute. Guys, these are super cute. They all appear to be Old Navy. Look at this. This is cute, though. These ones were on sale for $14.99. They're 7.5. I know for a fact, well, they got fuzzies on the bottom, so somebody like tried them on or whatever, obviously, but that's fine. I mean, it's not a big deal. Yeah, my sister's definitely 7.5, so these will go to her. Those are super cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are cute. What size are these? Oh, please tell me they're in a size my niece would look at these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, my niece would love them. They have the fur at the top. These are so cute. What size are they though? Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Hold on. They were on sale for $11.99. Oh, it looks like they're a size 9. Shoot. She's a 10. Yeah, they're a size 9. But I'm going to have her try them on. You never know. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Guys, I really hope these fit her. She would love these. Look with the fur and everything. That is so cute. Okay, I got to quit talking about them. All right. Did I move the camera again? Sorry, guys. God, I got to get a better setup. I keep saying that, but I never do anything about it. Okay, these are cute too. Another ankle booty. This one actually looks to be a smaller size. It's a size 5. They were on sale for $5.41. Don't you hate it when you have a piece of hair and you can't find it? Yeah, it's annoying. I think I got it though. These are cute though. I mean, these are adorable. They are size 5 though. I mean, they definitely look like they would fit me, but I wouldn't wear them. So I don't know. We'll have to see. Who would be a size 5? I mean, my mom, if I can fit them, my mom can fit them because she has the same size foot that I do. So I'll let my mom try those on. They're all tangled up, guys. Oh, this is not good. I don't know if I can get them untangled to show them to you guys. Hang on a second. I'm sorry. I might have to pause the video and come back because these are super tangled up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pause and come back. I can show you these ones though. They're the same ones I've already shown to you. These ones are an 8.5. So I don't know if anyone in my family can or would like those. All right, so we have these ones here. These are super cute also. Look at that. This olive green ankle boot. These are nice shoes, guys. I totally think the value is definitely here for all of these shoes. The retail value of these were $39.99. Not sure what they were marked down to. These ones are size 7. Okay, that's fabulous. I think my sister would like these. I know that she's a size 7, so I'm going to set those aside for her. Okay. Another pair of those super fun ones. Dude, I know. Look how cute these are. I know my niece would love these. These are so cute. All right, let's moment of truth. What's the size? Oh, please be her size. Yeah! These are size 10. These will fit her. I'm so excited. She's going to love these. Look at how cute they are, though. Yes! Oh, yes. I'm so excited. She's going to love these. Okay, so those are definitely going to my niece. All right, that's awesome. All of them kind of look like repeats though, guys. Okay, so here's these ones. They're all kind of the same. I mean, the value is definitely here, especially if you're a reseller. I mean, this would be a good box to get if you're a reseller. Dude, these are size 10. Stop! Oh, I'm going to give these to my niece too because she does like a little bit of a heel, so that's cute. I think she'll like these. That's great. This is so great. Oh my gosh, and she's been helping me out around my house as I'm working on all these house projects. So this is going to be a great gift for her. So here's another pair that's green. Okay, these are cute too. Again, they're all Old Navy, guys. I mean, they're really cute. These ones are a size 8. So I don't know. I don't know who's a size 8, if anybody's a size 8. These are the ones that are tangled up, but you know what? They're all the same pairs. Let me just try to show them to you guys, like bundled up. So here's what they look like, because this is it. That's all that's in here. So, I mean, these are really cute as well. I like them. Again, with the, oh, that's a nice rubber sole right there. Yes, that's a size 9, and the other one is a size 8. So I have a size 9 and a size 8 in these ones. Okay, so let's go ahead. What's this? Thank you for your business. Ooh. Oh, don't tempt me. I get $20 off my next order. Dude, that's a good chunk of change. Well, now I gotta get another box. I mean, I wasn't going to, but now I have to. Like, they're making me do it. It says $20 off. I'm definitely doing it, dude. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely doing that. Okay, so I want to see if I got the 20 pairs that they claimed I would get. So there's 2 pairs that were intertwined with each other. You know what? Let me go ahead, because that was terrible. I just bent over. Let me go ahead and add them up, and then I'll come back. That would be a lot better. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I was trying to bend over in this small space and count those shoes, and it just was not happening while I was on camera. That would have been terrible for anybody to watch. Nonetheless, I did count all of the shoes, and there is exactly 20 pairs of shoes in the box. So here's my thoughts on this one, guys. This is definitely a great box for a reseller to get because they were name brand shoes. I mean, they were Old Navy shoes. It just looks like they were shoes that they were unable to sell in the store, but that doesn't mean that you can't have luck selling them online, because I know that I see a lot of shoes that were in Gabe's and places like that. People buy them at Gabe's and they resell them online for like quadruple what they paid for when they bought them at Gabe's. So it's definitely a possibility that you could resell these shoes and get a good return off of your money, you know, at least double what you put into it, which would be $95 for this box. So I think it's a good box for a reseller, but it's definitely not a good box for somebody just to get in hopes, you know, that they get their size shoe. I knew this was going to be a variety box, and I knew that it was geared towards resellers. You know what I mean? That's kind of what all their boxes are kind of geared towards. But I still wanted to go ahead and get one to show to you guys. And I was hopeful because I have a lot of women in my family, and I also have a lot of friends that these shoes might work for. So I was okay and happy to do that because I like to give shoes as gifts. And this is also another great way for me to be able to do that. So now that I have this $20 off code, I have to buy another box. Not sure if I'll get another shoe box. Maybe I'll try the men's shoe box because, again, I have plenty of men in my family too who might like to have some new shoes. So maybe I will try the men's box next, being that I have this $20 code. So that might be something I'll do. Maybe I will do that. And then anything that anyone in my family doesn't want, I will probably use as giveaways on this channel. Quite possibly. Okay. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Hopefully you guys got some good information from this video, and at least you see what you get in a box like this. If anyone is interested in getting any kind of box, they have different ones from WiBargain. I will link everything in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is... What day is it? I could do it on a thrifty Thursday. Why not? All right, try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Thrifty Thursday, and on this video, I have a... I don't know how to say it. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is what? No! Thrifty Thursday! Try it again! It took all I had to lift it over to here. So I decided to go ahead and try one of their women's shoes box. I can't spit it out, so try it again. Blah, blah, blah. Now, again, I have no idea what sizes, styles, or anything or like that is in this box. So 9 times out of 10, what? Try it again. What's the good till then? Obviously, there's no shoe boxes with the shoes, which is totally fine. I don't care. I'm just really curious what you get in a women's what? Hold on. Okay, guys, so I flipped over. Oh, oven? Oven. Is that a word? I don't know. Try it again. Okay, guys. What was that? Okay.